How to enable desktop mode in Safari on iPhone in iOS 18. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short video I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop mode in Safari on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. To enable desktop mode in Safari, go to home screen and open the settings app. Now swipe down to find apps and tap on it. On the next page, swipe down to find Safari and tap on it. Here, swipe down and tap on Request Desktop Website. Here, turn on all websites. So guys, after turning on the all websites, your iPhone will now be converted from mobile mode to desktop mode. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.